How to delete suggested email addresses on Gmail. First of all, let's navigate and open Gmail app on your phone. Once you are inside the app, from the bottom right, tap on the Compose button and it will take you to a new page where you can add details in the provided fields. When I write an email address, you can see the email suggestions appear at the top of the keypad. To remove them, let's go back to the inbox and from the top right, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Manage your Google account and it will take you to the Google Account Manager. Here, scroll down to find People and Sharing and tap on it to open. On this page, tap on Contacts and it will open a new page where you will find all saved emails that appear as suggestions while you are typing. To remove them, press and hold one of them and select other emails too. Then from the top right, tap on the three dots and from this menu, tap on Delete and confirm your action. And there you go. Suggested email addresses are removed. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.